it's not just Tantra. It's like there's science is starting to have some backing in if you can feel totally comfortable with someone, if you can make love in a meditative way. They found that people who, there's this study that I read recently, some scientists, that people who make love more in a meditative way, they get better, higher self-esteem, their relationships are better. It just works all around for everybody to feel a lot better. The relationships last longer. So I'm happy to be here to try to get the word out. And it sounds like you're already hip to a lot of this.
For sure.
To make love in a more loving way actually is good for everybody. It's good for you. It makes you feel better about yourself. It makes the relationship better. It makes the relationship last longer if that's what you want. So we've kind of been told one way of having sex and making love, which is kind of not really creating a lot of love for people. It's not really making love. Mm-hmm. And if you actually make love in a more meditative way, it actually like generates more love. It's amazing.
Yeah, because I know a lot of people in relationships and they're just waiting for that third Saturday of the month. Oh man, it's like, it's not a job, people. You should want to make love to that person that you cherish. And for me, I can't understand why people put barriers like that. And